Hey, we're ready for a second flight with the MD Hobby E0717, a kit that I put together, and had a successful flight on the last battery and a landing and a second takeoff and landing. So this is really a second flight. So here we go. Going to taxi out and take off left to right. So we'll see how this does. It taxied pretty good last time. I just wanted to make sure taxiing looks good. You can see the prop kicking up stuff. Let's see, turning to the left a little bit. Yep, and turning to the right. Yep, and we're going to take it right out to the edge of the soccer field over there without taking off on the ground, going in the direction of the wind. We'll do a turn around here, hopefully, and take off into the wind. And here we go. We're ready. I don't think I'd call this a beginner plane, although it does fly pretty well once I got it trimmed out a little bit. It's still flying very touchy, even at 50% on the aileron expo. Yeah, definitely interesting to fly it. I'm doing okay, but as you can see, I'm rocking the plane without even really trying. And that's with expo, so I'm not quite sure why it's doing that. A lot of expo softens the feel of the sticks. So I think the elevator, I mean the control surface, is just so big for the weight of the plane that it might be part of the problem. Let's see if we can take it back up. We're on a 5-minute timer. I do have a 2200 in this time. Last time I was flying on a 1300, and I did get 5 minutes, but that sounds about right for this battery too, even though it's a larger battery. The center of gravity seemed to be a little better this time. It was a little bit tail heavy last time, but not too bad. And it's just a touch of wind. Well, the wind is really picking up. Ooh, you could see it there. So maybe we won't take 5 minutes. I just want to try to keep it intact as a one-piece plane. And I think I'm going to bring it down. Yeah, it lands pretty well. The kit's a good kit. It's a little bit of a challenge to put together. There are some things that you need to do. I watched a props and wheels put together of it a couple of years ago, and that was a lot of good tips on how to put it together, especially on the motor and the motor mount and the placement of some of that, as well as some of the other screws you have to put in. Doesn't take too long to put together, and it does work pretty well. Thank you for watching, and I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. That's really helpful for the channel. Thank you so much.